Konnichiwa guys! Welcome back to my channel Learning Japanese with Shinny Sensei. I am your Shinny Sensei. In this video, we are going to learn grammar lesson 2 from Minna no nihongo. Hajimemashou. First topic, kore, sore, are. These are the Japanese pronouns. This, that, these, those are from the English. Let's take a reference as a girl for a speaker and a boy for a listener. Kore. When the thing is near to a speaker, it's come in kore. This in the English. Kore wa hana desu. Hana means flower. Here, hana is close to speaker, so kore came here. Kore wa hana desu. This is a flower. Let's take a few more examples. Kore wa jisho desu. Jisho means dictionary. This is a dictionary. Kore wa shinbun desu. Shinbun means newspaper. This is a newspaper. We can ask questions by this pattern. Kore wa nan desu ka? Here, nan means what. So, the pattern became Kore wa nan desu ka? What is this? Watashi no hon desu. Hon means book. My books. We already learned no. Sore. When the things is near to the listener, it came in sore. That one or that is are from the English. Here, the topic we talk about or speaker talk about is away from him or her. Sore wa omocha desu. Omocha means toy. Here, the toy is away from the speaker and close to the listener. That is a toy. Let's take a few more examples. Sore wa inpetsu desu. Inpetsu means pencil. That is a pencil. Sore wa isu desu. Isu means chair. That is a chair. So these are the examples. Let's talk about are. Are when the things is away from the both speaker and the listener. That one or that are from the English. The speaker and the listener is talking about same topic, but that topic is away from the both. Are wa ichigo desu. Here, speaker and listener is talking about ichigo means strawberry, which is away from both. That is a strawberry. Let's take a few more examples. For example, are wa hon desu. Hon means book. That is a book. Are wa pasokon desu. Pasokon means personal computer. That is a personal computer. Next topic is kono plus noun, sono plus noun, ano plus noun. Kono, sono, ano are also the pronoun. What is the use? The use of it is to modifying the noun. This, that are the meaning of it. In simple form, we can also say that these pronouns showcase the noun. These are the pronouns which specify that thing what we are talking about. Kono plus noun. When the things or person is near to the speaker. Kono hon wa watashi no desu. This book is mine. Next topic, sono plus noun. When the things or person is near to the listener. Sono hito wa watashi tachi no tomodachi desu. That person is our friend. Next topic is ano plus noun. When the things or person is far from both listener and the speaker. Ano chizu wa Indo no chizu desu. Chizu means map. Indo means India. That map is India's map. Let's talk about the difference between kore, sore, are and kono, sono, ano. Both are the pronouns, but the difference between it is kore, sore, are has the reference of the noun, but kono, sono, ano is directly connected with the noun. Kore, sore, are is used with the noun, but kono, sono, ano is only used with the things or persons. How can we recognize between where we use kore, sore, are or kono, sono, ano? So, after kore, sore, are, wa particle is used. But after kono, sono, ano, noun comes first. This is the main thing. After kono, sono, ano, noun is attached. Let's talk about our next topic. So this, so ja arimasen. As we already know, this is the affirmative form and ja arimasen is the negative form. So is used for giving answers. When anyone asked anything and we have to give our answer is yes or no, or in other language we can say affirmative or negative, we use this pattern. Let's talk about affirmative form. When anyone asks any question and our answer is yes, it is. So in Japanese we say hai, so this, hai, so this. Let's take an example. Sore wa jisho desu ka? Jisho means dictionary. Is that a dictionary? Our answer is yes, it is. So our answer become hai, so this. Next, let's talk about negative form. When our answer is no, it isn't, then we used ie, so ja arimasen. So is the reference for giving answer, and in affirmative, in negative, both the same thing, this and ja arimasen. Let's take an example. Are wa hon desu ka? Is that a book? Ie ja arimasen. No, isn't it? Let's talk about one word answer which we already used or we can use is chigaimasu. Its means is different or its difference. We can use chigaimasu in the place of so ja arimasen. We have our previous question is that a book? We give our answer ie ja arimasen. We can use ie chigaimasu. No, it's different. Next topic is sentence 1 ka, sentence 2 ka. As in our previous video we learned about particle ka. Ka is a question particle. So by using this particle you can also understand that this is a question pattern question. This is the other type of question in which the speaker or anyone asks about options and we have to give the answer in optional form. S1 or S2. Here we don't say yes or no. We must have to choose option. Which option we have to choose? We have to give that type of answer. Okay, let's take examples of this pattern. Kore wa pen desu ka? Inpitsu desu ka? In this pattern, there are the two options. We have to choose between pen and inpitsu. So our question is Kore wa pen desu ka? Inpitsu desu ka? Is this a pen or pencil? Our answer is pen desu. It is a pen. We choose the option. We don't give answer is yes or no. N1 no, N2 this. We already learned about no particle. We learned that no is used to connect the noun. Here also it is connecting nouns but in the different way. No particle is talking about or explaining about noun too. What is this? Or we can say the relation between N1 and N2. Let's take an example. Sore wa LG no terebi desu. N1 is LG, terebi means TV is N2. So that is a LG TV. So here no is explaining about N2 which is terebi and connection with the N1 which is LG. It shows that LG is the company or manufacturer of terebi and 2. Sore wa LG no terebi desu. Another usage of no particle is to show the owner or ownership. In simple language, we can say there is a thing or something who owned by some person or someone. No particle show their connection. N1 no, N2 this. N1 is the owner and N2 is the thing or anything. Let's talk with the example. Kore wa Yamada-san no kaban this. Here is a kaban, which meaning is bag, and who owned that thing or bag is Yamada-san. So here, no particle is connecting with two nouns N1 and N2 and showing that N2 has a owner, which is Yamada-san. Kore wa Yamada-san no kaban this. This is Mr. Yamada's bag. So this ka. So who giving with answer. But this is the expression. When in normal life, when anyone asks anything or anyone give our any information, we say, oh, is it so this is also a expression. Okay, here speaker got to know something about anything and he or she showing his reference or showing his interest, his or her interest about it. Yes, I got it. Oh, that is that type of reference or expression we showed by this pattern or by this thing. Okay, so this ka. Let's get to know this expression. So this ka with the help of some example. So here it is. Kono hon wa watashi no desu ka? Iie chigaimasu. Sakura no desu. So this ka. So here we are talking about anyone's book. So the sentence is Kono hon wa. Let's just mention here. Kono hon wa, is this my book? Kono hon wa watashi no hon desu. No, it isn't. No, it's different. It's Sakura no hon desu. So this book is of Sakura's book. So this ka, I see. So speaker got to know about something and he or she giving that thing. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like the video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Mata ne.